everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you top 10 most popular rocks garden design ideas and tips to transform landscape into Serene Oasis garden. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we embark on a journey into the captivating world of rock gardens. These enchanting landscapes, often likened to miniature mountain vistas, offer a unique blend of beauty, tranquility, and practicality. But what exactly is a rock garden? Simply put, it's a composition of rocks, gravel, and carefully chosen plants, meticulously arranged to create a visually appealing and often symbolic representation of nature's grandeur. While seemingly simple, rock gardens possess a profound depth of design potential, offering endless possibilities for customization and creative expression. The allure of rock gardens lies in their multifaceted appeal. Here are just a few reasons why you might consider incorporating one into your own landscape. First, low maintenance. Rock gardens require minimal upkeep compared to traditional gardens. With proper drainage and carefully selected plants, you can enjoy a flourishing landscape with minimal effort. Second, year-round interest. Rocks and gravel provide a natural structure that remains visually captivating throughout the seasons. Even in winter, their muted tones and textures add a unique charm to your landscape. Third, adaptability. Rock gardens fit seamlessly into various spaces, from small patios to expansive backyards. They can be designed to complement diverse architectural styles and personal preferences. Fourth, environmental benefits. Well-designed rock gardens promote water conservation and create habitats for beneficial insects, contributing to a healthier ecosystem. Fifth, aesthetic versatility. From serene zen gardens to vibrant alpine meadows, rock gardens offer a vast spectrum of design possibilities, allowing you to create a space that reflects your aesthetic sensibilities. Now that you're intrigued by the possibilities, let's delve into the key elements of creating a stunning rock garden. First, planning is paramount. Define your desired style, size, and budget. Research suitable plants for your climate and soil conditions. Consider existing features like slopes, drainage, and sunlight exposure. Second, site selection. Choose a well-drained location with adequate sunlight for your chosen plants. Avoid areas prone to flooding or excessive shade. Third, laying the foundation. Install a weed barrier and drainage layer before adding gravel or rocks. Arrange larger rocks strategically, creating a natural flow and sense of depth. Fourth, plant selection. Opt for low-growing, drought-tolerant plants that thrive in well-drained soil. Consider incorporating a variety of textures, colors, and blooming times for year-round visual interest. Fifth, accessorize wisely. Add finishing touches like water features, small sculptures, or stepping stones to enhance the overall ambience and personalize your space. Selecting the right plants is crucial for the success and visual appeal of your rock garden. Consider these factors. First, climate. Choose plants adapted to your local climate and microclimates within your garden. Consider sun exposure, humidity, and temperature variations. Second, soil and drainage. Opt for plants that thrive in well-drained soils, as most rock gardens incorporate gravel or crushed stone. Amend your existing soil if necessary. Third, maintenance. Prioritize low-maintenance plants to align with the nature of rock gardens. Look for drought-tolerant varieties that require minimal watering and pruning. Fourth, aesthetic harmony. Select plants that complement the overall design theme of your rock garden. Consider their size, texture, color, and blooming times to create a cohesive and visually appealing composition. No two rock gardens are alike. Here are 10 popular design ideas to spark your creativity. 1. Japanese Zen garden. Embrace minimalist elegance with raked gravel, carefully placed rocks, and pruned shrubs. 2. Alpine meadow. Recreate the vibrant mountain landscape with colorful wildflowers, dwarf conifers, and cascading rocks. 3. Desert oasis. Introduce the charm of the arid southwest with cacti, succulents, and weathered rocks in warm tones. 4. Woodland retreat. Create a shady haven with ferns, mosses, and hostas nestled amongst moss-covered rocks. 5. Mediterranean escape. Capture the essence of the Italian Riviera with olive trees, lavender, and terracotta pots amidst sun-bleached rocks. Six. Dry creek bed. Simulate a meandering waterway with smooth stones and drought-tolerant plants. 7. Moon garden. Evoke a celestial atmosphere with white and silver foliage, reflective surfaces, and strategically placed rocks. 8. Butterfly garden. Attract these winged wonders with nectar-rich flowers and strategically placed rocks for basking. 9. Contemporary Zen. Combine sleek lines and minimalist elements with natural rocks and carefully chosen plants for a modern twist. 10. Living wall. Add vertical interest with a rock garden built into a wall or fence, incorporating cascading plants and crevices for visual intrigue. Remember, Homes Decor Designs is here to guide you every step of the way. Visit our channel for detailed plant recommendations, planting tutorials, and design inspiration videos tailored to your specific climate and aesthetic preferences. Closing statement. Rock gardens offer a unique blend of beauty, serenity, and practicality, enriching your landscape and fostering a connection with nature. With careful planning, plant selection, and a touch of creativity, you can create a masterpiece that reflects your personal style and provides years of enjoyment. So, let the rocks guide you, embrace the Zen, and get ready to transform your space into a tranquil oasis. Subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring landscaping ideas and expert tips. Share your rock garden creations in the comments below, and let's connect with fellow design enthusiasts. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of popular rocks garden design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.